Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a dependency field in Salesforce. Field dependency in Salesforce is a feature that allows you to control the values displayed in one field based on the values selected in another field, which is the controlling field. In this video, I'll be working with the opportunity object. So I've worked with account and enablement code enough, but I will show you how this type field can control a different field. So a controlling field can be either a pick list field or a checkbox depending on what you want to control or what you want to be the controlling field. Now let's go over to the setup, edit the object and create a dependency field. We go over to our fields and relationship on the opportunity object backend and select the field dependency at the top right corner of the object manager and then select new. So we have options of controlling field. I'm going to be selecting the type, and then the dependency field will be a custom pick list field, which is called type of coverage. So when you select this type of coverage or any other value you want, any other field you want in your org, you press continue and do not save onto this immediately because you have not selected what you want or how you want the values to be controlled. Now there is include values and there is exclude values. So when you select a field for the dependent field, you click on include value, and any field that turns yellow means that the field has been included under that option as a dependent value. So for instance, when you select the upgrade customer, the only value that is going to be showing you in the type field in the type of coverage is partial coverage, and likewise the other options we have in the type. So the first one has just one value, second two, and third two values, then the last has the third value. We are going to save this and then check the type field under fields and relationship, and you can see under the type of coverage we have controlling field as type. And when you go into the type field, you will see the field dependencies, and type of coverage is one of the dependent field inside the type field. Now that we have created this, let's go over to our sales app and see what this looks like. At the top right corner, which is the top left corner, which is the app launcher, we are going to find our sales app and go over to our opportunity object. So you can select any object that you've created the dependency field on, and I'm going to change the list view because I want to use an entirely different opportunity to review what I have just customized. So I'll select a particular record, go over to the details and find the type and type of coverage. Now here is the type. What happens is that when you select this type of coverage as when you select a singular type of coverage, a type, you are going to find the included values on the type of coverage. So for the first one, which is the existing customer upgrade, we have only the partial, but for the other ones, we have multiple, which is the second, the two for the second, and then the third option for the three options for the new customer. And one funny thing about this field dependency is that when you do not select a field in the type of coverage, a value, you cannot save onto this record. So it's more like it works like a validation rule that enforces that you select what the dependent field is going to have. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.